Have you seen this video?
My Gmail account, I hooked it up to my ChatGPT account. I trained it in how I talk and how I think. Boom, it takes all my emails as they come in, answers them, puts it back in my drafts folder. Don't get nervous, it doesn't send them before I look. Okay. Then I sit down at the end of the night and it takes me about 20 minutes to go through my emails. Yep, send. Yep, send, and boom. 20 to 30 minutes, that's it. That saves me an hour and a half a day. You know what an hour and a half a day is? It's a day a week. You know what a day a week is? It's a month a year for you.
The world of artificial intelligence has changed many lives. Successful people are those who act intelligently and save time. Today, I want to introduce you to a new tool that, in a strange way, has solved this whole email story for me and saves you a lot of time. And no, this is not just a regular smart writer. This is truly a serious assistant for your emails. Let's get straight to the point. Email management with Serif AI. To start, you just need to connect your Gmail to Serif. From that moment on, you no longer have to personally dig through your inbox every day to find important emails, because Serif does all this automatically. Look here, this is my Gmail. All emails are automatically categorized and labeled. For example, these are ads. These are related to current projects, and that one is from an old client who has come back. Even before I open it, I know which ones are priorities and which ones I can check later or ignore. Now, let's open one of the emails. This is exactly where Serif shows itself. A complete reply is already prepared. The writing style it chose is respectful, yet still friendly. Exactly the style I usually write in. Even the things I always forget, like the channel link or an invitation to a meeting, are included in the email. So instead of spending half an hour writing a reply, I just take a look, maybe change a sentence, and then click send. I used to hire a VA for this who charged between 600 and 800 euros per month. But now, a smart tool is doing the same work with accuracy, speed, and without any delay. And more interestingly, Serif gradually gets to know your writing style. Every time you approve or edit a draft, it better understands how your mind works. This means after a few days of use, it learns which terms you prefer, what tone and structure you use in formal correspondence, or for example, how serious or flexible you are in negotiations. And in the end, it starts writing exactly like you, or even a little better. But now let's go to something that can change everything, a feature called handoff. With this feature, you can hand over an entire email conversation to Serif, and you don't even need to check it anymore. For example, here they asked me to send the test version of the product and schedule a meeting. Instead of doing it myself, I just forward the email to assistant@serif.ai and write a short note for it. And then I just go on to my main tasks. Why is Serif different from others? Now let's look at the story from a higher perspective. What makes Serif different from other email reply tools? First, Serif is not just a writer, it is an intelligent and fully flexible system, designed not just for writing, but for analyzing, decision-making, and even taking action. When an email is received, Serif first examines the subject. Does it even need a reply or not? If it does, what writing style is appropriate? Does it need a specific link to be added or a meeting request to be made? And then it creates a suggested reply that is both professional and exactly in line with your personality. But now, with handoff, the story goes beyond writing. Serif can do an entire task from start to finish itself. That means you just give it a short instruction. It gets confirmation, proceeds step by step, and follows up if necessary. And finally, it sends you a summary report. This means a task that used to take several emails and 2 hours of time is now done without you touching anything, and in such a way that you wouldn't even notice. Imagine it's just you, but in practice, you're working like a 5-person team. Because you're using an AI designed to think, decide, and act like a real human assistant. And really, what other tool do you know that can manage a complete conversation with a client, follow up, schedule a meeting, and still carry it out under your own name? Only Serif. You saw how easily and precisely everything went forward. So if you want to take control of your time again, reduce your stress, and act more professionally than ever, go to serif.ai right now and try it. It's completely free. I hope this video, like my other videos, has been able to solve a real problem for you with the help of technology. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to tell me in the comments. And I'd love to know your experience with this tool. Until the next video, bye-bye.